The line between humans and machines is starting to disappear. What once seemed like science fiction is now becoming our reality. And believe it or not, you're already living in that future. Things that felt impossible just 10 years ago are now right in front of us. AI has made its way into our everyday lives. But not just any AI, we're talking about Tesla Bot version 3, also known as Optimus Generation 3, stepping into the real world. This isn't just a cool gadget, it's a peak achievement in tech, something that dares to take on the future head-on. Optimus is no longer just a basic household helper. Elon Musk has recently confirmed something big. The Tesla Bot will now include GROK VOICE, a powerful AI speech system. Imagine a robot that can talk with you like a close buddy. That's what GROK VOICE does. Built by X.AI, it gives Optimus the ability to talk in a smooth and natural way, almost too natural. Musk also said that the newest version of Optimus would come with many upgrades, and that Tesla's already working on building 5,000 of them. This is real. Tesla is the first company making it happen. Welcome to Ono Intel. Tap that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Be one of the first to ride this wave. Now back to the show. It's both exciting and slightly scary to think we're soon going to see these robots walking around in real life. But this is exactly the world Elon Musk wants to create. Just like he made electric cars a normal thing, he's trying to do the same with robots. Sure, there will be ups and downs, but one thing's clear. Optimus is opening a door into a completely new kind of world. So, what's different in version 3? When can we see it in action? Tesla's Optimus robot is definitely one of Musk's most daring projects. They've spent billions on it, but some people still doubt if it's really useful. So far, the tasks Optimus performs seem basic, and engineers agree it's not fully ready yet. But the work is in progress, and Tesla's planning to launch it for customers next year. At least 4 major upgrades are currently being worked on. These are key to releasing the final version of Optimus Gen 3. If Tesla wants to show the world that it's more than just an EV brand, this robot must be something totally different. That's exactly why Musk is going all in with the Optimus project. Let's dig into the biggest new feature, GROK VOICE. As someone following the world of humanoid robots closely, we can say this update puts Optimus way ahead of its competitors. Why? Because voice interaction is everything. Most robots today can only follow short commands. GROK, on the other hand, lets Optimus have full conversations. It's powered by X.AI's advanced AI and allows the robot to speak fluently and naturally. This makes Optimus perfect for elderly people who like listening to spoken instructions and don't want to mess with screens or apps. From the start, Elon Musk said that Optimus would be helpful to kids and seniors. Thanks to its smart AI, it can answer questions, explain things, and even teach children. Say, "Hey Optimus, how do I use this remote?" And it will tell you step by step until you get it. This makes it way more than just a talking machine. It's like a tutor, helper, and friend all in one. Also, GROK VOICE helps Optimus deal with all kinds of environments. It understands multiple languages and works even in noisy areas. That's a huge win. While other robots struggle in crowded or loud places, Optimus keeps calm and listens carefully. Last October, Tesla brought 50 robots to the Cybercab launch event. There was loud music and a huge crowd, but the bots still replied correctly and even made some people laugh. That shows how strong its voice system is. All of this means Optimus isn't just for show. It's a premium product with real value. Other companies like Figure AI and Agility Robotics focus more on movement, but they don't have this kind of smart voice tech. Optimus Gen 3 offers the full package, brains and beauty. Speaking of looks, let's talk design. Tesla started the Optimus project just over 2 years ago, but they've already shown 3 versions. That's insane speed! Compared to other robots, Optimus stands out with its sleek design. No wires, no exposed parts. It almost looks like a person in a high-tech suit. Some folks think it needs a screen on its face, but Tesla might skip that to keep things simple and affordable. Remember, the goal is to make it cost around $20,000. Even though the current look is smooth and finished, Musk keeps saying that version 3 will look even better. He said last week, "So many improvements are coming in the next Optimus design." We don't know exactly what they'll change, because honestly, it already looks great. The head has LED lights that show its status, like low battery or when it's working. The body is black and white with Tesla printed on the chest. There's even a golden version that matches the Cybercab. But Musk isn't redesigning it just to make it look cooler. He wants it to be easier to build. That's why he said the hardest part is simplifying the design for mass production. A cleaner design helps Tesla make thousands or even millions of these robots faster and cheaper. Another huge change in version 3 is the robot's hands. Right now, Optimus uses hands with 11 degrees of freedom, meaning each finger can move in certain ways. The new hands will have 22 degrees, almost as much as a human hand, which has 27. That's a massive jump. You can clearly see the difference when Optimus catches a tennis ball in the demo video. The new hand is smooth, closed off, and doesn't show any wires. It looks like it's wearing gloves, which might mean it can work with water, maybe even wash dishes or do laundry. Elon Musk says these new hands are so precise they could play piano or even thread a needle. And when you watch the demo, you'll see what he means. The fingers move like real human fingers. Even with just the older hand, Optimus was able to fold clothes, water plants, serve drinks, and assemble electronics. So just imagine what it can do with the new one. But building those new hands wasn't easy. About half of Optimus's mechanical complexity is in the hands alone. That's why getting them right is a big step forward. Let's talk about how it walks. Many people joke that Optimus walks like someone who just finished leg day at the gym, or like a president stumbling across a stage. While funny, these comments actually highlight a serious point: its walking still needs work. Musk agrees. He wants to boost its walking speed to 5 mph eventually. Right now, it walks at around 2.2 mph, which is okay, but not impressive. That said, it's already come a long way. At first, Optimus wobbled a lot. Now, it walks more smoothly and stands straighter. The bent knee posture isn't a mistake. It helps the robot stay balanced on rough ground. At the Cybercab event, Optimus walked through a crowd in low light without any trouble. So the design is helping. Still, Tesla needs to improve speed and balance more to catch up to rivals like Boston Dynamics. Even with these challenges, Optimus Gen 3 is shaping up to be a major upgrade. Tesla is working on weight balance, battery efficiency, and better joints to help the robot move faster and more naturally. Beyond just building a robot, Tesla is doing something unique. They're using their experience from making EVs to build this bot. That means they can reuse parts, use existing supply chains, and scale up production in ways no other robot maker can. Musk says he wants to produce billions of robots one day, and this is how they'll get there. Right now, Optimus is still being built by hand in small batches. It doesn't have a robot assembly line like Tesla cars. Some people joke that one Optimus bot could build another, but we're not there yet. One day, maybe. But first, Tesla needs an automated robot factory to make this dream real. When people find out Optimus is sometimes remotely controlled, they say, "Wait, isn't this supposed to be autonomous?" But that's not how robots work. Even humans need to learn skills before we can do things on our own. Same for Optimus. It's training! Musk says it'll be fully autonomous by next year and ready to work in Tesla factories. Unlike robots that just repeat tasks, Optimus can look at its environment and decide what to do next. That's what makes it special. It runs on a powerful AI brain similar to Tesla's full self-driving tech. This brain is inside a custom chip that connects with sensors, cameras, and navigation tools to understand the world and take action. The coolest part? It uses just one big neural network to do everything: walk, lift, clean, talk, all with one model. It learns from real human videos and can even pick up skills from YouTube in the future. It watches, practices in virtual space, and then does it in real life. Once one robot learns a task, it teaches all the others instantly. That's how Optimus can learn up to 100 new tasks a day. Whether it's making eggs, folding laundry, or working in a factory, Optimus learns fast. And yes, it raises concerns. What if it learns something dangerous? Musk says we'll need to think about ethics too. But for now, he believes this will be Tesla's most important product ever. Optimus is not just a machine. It's the future of work, of learning, maybe even of human life itself. If you want more Tesla stories, updates, or insights into Tesla Bot and other innovations, hit the like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Intel. Thanks for watching!